So how you can transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom wallet. Now to do so, first of all you just need to make sure to log into your Phantom wallet, then click on the receive, or you can either close this and click on Solana, then click on receive, and now simply copy the wallet address. The next step will going to be opening up DCX app on your mobile or on your desktop. Once you are in, you just need to head over to crypto transactions, then you just need to click on the withdraw. In this case it is going to be Solana, so simply search for that specific token. Once you are in, you just need to select the network, or once you paste that specific address, in this case Solana, the network might change automatically to Solana. Then you just need to enter the amount and click on swipe to withdraw. Once you do so, the funds will arrive within the given time of your specific token, and in Solana cases it arrives typically within few minutes. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw or transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom wallet.